Hello, welcome to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thanks for tuning in. And today I just want to go over a couple of my tips and tricks for keeping my face healthy and hopefully looking as natural as possible. So you see me, I'm clear face, no makeup. I've put a little brow on, but that's about it, and I do have on lashes. So what I want to do is just kind of show you my day-to-day regimen with skincare, eye cream, how I do my lips just to help keep them moisturized during the winter. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Well, thank you for watching. I wanted to go into my first steps. I've already cleansed my face. I use Jacqueline Page Alpha Hydroxy cleanser. Hope you can see this. It's a very rich, holistic formula, and it's a versatile cleaner that incorporates alpha hydroxy acid and vitamin E for cleansing. It's phenomenal. I love it. And then after that, I do use a toner. It's Jacqueline Page Alpha Hydroxy Skin Toner. And this one here, it says, a remarkable, refreshing toner designed to even skin tone while diminishing fine lines and wrinkle. So most of my products, they do have alpha hydroxy agents in it that helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkle. As far as my moisturizer, I use a couple, but what I'm going to use this morning is actually Dior Capture Totale. I love this. It's so rich and full of emollients. I love it. So I just take a little on my hand and ever so gently rub it into my face. Oh, it's so rich. I love it. And then for my eye cream, I do use Jacqueline Page Hydroxy Eye Cream. And this here, it basically says a lightweight eye cream to moisturize day and night. I don't always use it at night, but every morning I do put it on ever so lightly with a Q-tip. And then just rub it in. And I kid you not, it's so smooth. And I always use this finger simply to reduce the amount of pressure that I put on my eyes and under my eyes. And I love it. I think I have it blended in well. Let's see. Okay. And as far as what I do to remove my makeup, I do a couple of things. I do use my Alpha Hydroxy, the cleanser, but prior to that, to take off eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, I have been using this, I kid you not, and ever since it's been created, I know at least 10, 12 years. This is the Neutrogena. It's oil-free eye makeup remover. I have yet to find another one that is so gentle on my eyes. If you happen to get something in your eye, it doesn't hurt. There's not a lot of fragrance. It's no oil residue, and it even removes waterproof mascara. This I live by. I really, really do. So I highly recommend it. I buy it in bulk, as most things that I get. So at this point, what I'm going to go into is just how I take care of my lips. I was blessed with full lips, and I want to make sure that I keep them nourished and also try to prevent chapped lips. I hate that. I live in a cold weather climate now, and so I have to take extra care with my lips and my skin for that matter. So what I usually start off with, let me see here. It's the Milani. It's actually Keep It Sweet. It's a sugar lip scrub. And I discovered it probably about 4 months ago. Yeah. I simply take a cloth, a tissue, puffs, I love puffs, and I take it off, simply, and of course it's sugar, so it's naturally sweet, quite nice. And then I go in with the Milani. It's actually called Keep It Smooth. It's the lip treatment. And I just use a Q-tip to go in. Go a little too much. But it definitely helps to smooth out your lips and keep them moisturized. So I do that at least 4 times a week. And ideally you want to put it on at night. And so for this purpose, I'm going to blot a little bit of it off. And then I want to go into how I put my lip treatments on. So in addition to doing my lip treatment, I have, it's actually by Urban Decay, and it's called Lip Love. And it says it has shea butter, coconut oil moisturizer. I usually just put a little bit. Very nice fragrance. Very light, not too oily, not too heavy. And I found that this really helps to keep my lips moisturized during the winter. I'm going to show you a little bit of some other products that I use. When I do have on lipstick and I want to remove it, I know it seems like I have this whole video about Milani, but I kid you not, they have some very good products. This here is Milani. It's a little faint. Let's see. But this is Keep It Clean Long Wear Lip Color Remover. So this is great. I mean, they have these stay all night, 24 hours, 72-hour lipsticks. And like, how the hell do you get them off? So I found that this really works. I think this was about maybe $6 to $8 at the local CVS. But let's say if you don't have the money, you can't afford it, there's always an alternative. Vaseline. Petroleum jelly works just as well. It'll go on, get it off. And I do have my handy dandy backup Vaseline in case I need it. So this is wonderful to help keep your lips moist during the winter. Another thing that I was fortunate enough to find, let's see here. It's actually by NYX. It's a lip primer. So what I like to do, because I'm wearing lipstick, and oftentimes the lipsticks can be drying, especially the matte formulas. So this way I'm able to actually make sure that my lips stay very moist. So I use the primer under my lipstick. And I find that this really helps the lipstick that's not long wear last longer. Because for me, I'm so busy and rarely do I have time to apply lipstick. A lot of times I'm at an event or I'm speaking or something like that, and I don't really have time to grab my purse. My purse is usually in another area, and apply my lipstick. But I want to hopefully have my lipstick on point all the time. So that definitely helps to keep your lipstick in place. And, you know, a lot of times I'll find people, I'll see them, and I want to tell every woman, just be cognizant of this. Lipsticks, if you do not line your lips, oftentimes lipsticks will get on your teeth or smear on your face. So I try to always line my lips with a lip liner. I always am cognizant of how much lipstick I'm actually applying. Because as much as I'm in public and I'm talking and I'm going to events, the last thing I want to see in a picture is some damn lipstick on my teeth. I hate that shit. I hate it. So I try very hard to be cognizant of, okay, how are my lips? What's going on? Make sure nothing's on my teeth. And a trick that I learned many, many years ago doing some public speaking and also modeling, I learned that if you place a little bit of Vaseline, I'll show you. My handy dandy Vaseline. If you place a little on your gums, it helps you to freely and effortlessly smile on a regular. Because when they're snapping the camera and taking pictures at the different events or things that I have to do, I want to make sure my smile's on point. Okay, my mom didn't give me the dimples for nothing. So those are a few tips and tricks. And then what I do want to go over, although I don't have a full face, I think it's important since we're talking about lips and lipstick, that I kind of give you an overview of what I do when applying my lips. So I'm just going to take my handy dandy mirror here. This here, let's see, this is a NYX. It's SPL 809. And it's just like a mauve kind of burgundy lip liner. So I generally go in and do a simple outline of the lips. What I found is, as I said earlier, is that this helps my lipstick to stay in place. And today what I'm going to try for you guys, I'm using, let me put this here. I just recently purchased this. It's by Wet n Wild, and it's called Matte Lipstick, and it's number 921, B as in boy. So just effortlessly put this on, and Wet n Wild never had lipstick like this. I'm really impressed. Here we go. For day wear, I generally just put one coat, just making sure that it's even over my lips. It goes on so smooth, very moist, very moist. And as I said in some of my other videos, I really like to layer my lips. I'm usually wearing anywhere from 3 to 4 different shades. So I put that on as my base. And then here I go in with Milani once again, and this is number 38 Double Espresso. So here we go. It's so smooth. And so what I do is I love this just to kind of give it a three-dimensional look. And last but not least, a lot of times that lipstick is very creamy, so it's really not a full matte. But oftentimes what I like doing is I like to go in and put a lip gloss. So this here is by Soap and Glory, Sexy Mother Pucker. Love it, love it, love it. It also adds a little bit of a volume to your lips, although I really don't need that, but okay, it's in the formula. So it's clear with a little bit of an iridescence to it, and so it just adds just the right amount of flair to your lips. And so this is it. This is the final look with me applying my lipstick on a natural face. And then what I'd like to do is show you how I take it off. So what I'm most accustomed to doing is using, it's kind of worn and torn, but this is the Neutrogena. It's Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. I have been using this for at least, I don't know, 8-10 years, but it's great. And it's great for removing everything. And I kid you not, I see the ladies on TV and they're removing everything with this. This shit removes everything. Everything. Even the dark liner that I had, the lip gloss, boom. One towelette, it's gone. So once again, and then I usually, after that, just if I'm walking around or I'm at home and I really don't have a need to have lipstick or lip gloss on, I'll go back to my Urban Decay and apply a little bit of the Lip Love. So if you like this video and if it was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will have a few giveaways. I have some extra products that I love to share. So please follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And if you have any comments, please leave them. And if you have any products that you've used that are very helpful to keep your lips moisturized and your skin toned and tight, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. So thanks again for watching. Bye.